Hi everyone, welcome to Dense Stocks and Business. Here I explain the weekly analysis of the Indian stock market. Firstly, I wish you all of you a belated happy Diwali. This year we celebrated Diwali on Saturday, and there is a speciality for the market participants as well. So if you look back to the market indices, it had performed very well. We call it as a sensational movements in the prices, and census and the Nifty had reached an all-time record new high. The census has reached an 43,830.93, and Nifty 50 has reached 12,828.70, and also has Nifty 50 had 4.21% gains in the week. The census has 4.17% gain on last week, which is considered as a good movement. And also if you look back to the previous week as well, within these 2 weeks, the market indices has gained over 9% gain on the basis of the central government's new stimulus packages, the COVID vaccine and recent developments, and also the US presidential. This all brings all the positivity in the market as well. So this has lifted the market sentiment, and the market has reached an all-time high. All-time high means as the participants of the market, we all know where the market stands before the COVID, and after suddenly the COVID pandemic has come, and the market fall sharply down to the record lows also. Then from there the market has slowly has coming up, and it has reached it has crossed the pre-COVID level firstly, then it has reached to an all-time highs. So still the individual stocks underperformed, and the banking stocks also underperformed at the COVID level. The market indices has already crossed the COVID level, and it almost traveled to new highs as well. So as an Indians, we know the importance of the Diwali festival in India. Normally people tend to celebrate this Diwali by lighting up the cracks, lighting up the houses, the streets, the temples, and also the people they're going to clean their houses, they're going to exchange the gifts, sweets, and they're going to wear new clothes. All these are as they consider as an auspicious day as well. So in that sense, stock market has an auspicious day as well. How? Because there is a special trading session which is called Muhurattrading, which brings up many people to buy good quality stocks and hold it for another year. So as a traditional Hindu, there is an accounting year called Samvat 2077 was this year, and the people tend to buy and enter into a new stocks which is quality stocks, and they hold it for another year. So mainly on this Muhurat trading, every year the stock market has conducting this Muhurat trading around one hour. So mostly this trading session will be ended in a positive note, because many of them try to buy instead of selling. As personally, I didn't enter any Muhurat trading stocks. Rather than buying, interestingly I tried to exit from a swing trade, which is Tata Steel. It has performed last week very well, and I hope I could exit from on the Muhurat trading as well, but it's close to almost my levels, but unfortunately I couldn't exit. I hope I could exit the next week as. And also the central government announced the stimulus package, which is called Atmanirbhar Bharat 3.0, which is the continuation of the stimulus packages which both central government and the RBI has bring up many announcements since the COVID pandemic has begun. So totally they bring it 29.87 lakh crore rupees packages, which is around 15% of the Indian GDP. And as recently the Atmanirbhar Bharat 3.0, which is bring 2.65 lakh crore stimulus package. In that, 65,000 crore rupees has announced for the fertilizer subsidy to the farmers, because especially in North India, there is a crop season coming up, so farmers can use this subsidy to buy more fertilizers for the crop season, so which brings the economy as a boost. Also, there is a 10,000 crore package to the PM Garib Kalyan Rozgar Yojana package as well. So I think these things has reflected in real estate stocks as well. Especially I was holding India Bulls Housing also. India Bulls Housing has recently last week had a movement from around 150 to 180 level as well. So the market reached to an all-time highs, all positivities, all time. So we don't know what's going to happen next. The market going to continue the positive moment, or they're going to settle the volatility, or the volatility coming, or they're going to settle down near to the all-time highs. We don't know. So as we always, we are hopeful to the market, and there was a trading holiday on Monday, and we have a less trading list sections on next week, so we could let's watch what will happen next week. So I have a point here. I think the people who would like to come to the stock market, this was a better position for entering or studying or investing or trading, not trading, even investments, and for the learning the COVID situation. As a participant and other participants, they all know where the market has standed in before the COVID level. It has reached an all-time highs, then it was trading below the all-time highs. Then suddenly the pandemic coming, there's a sharp fall come. So many of them had invested a lot of money on the COVID loss. So all of the investments has reached positively, and many of them has recently, after the last week all-time highs, many of the peoples who participate in the market, their portfolios become green. As them, mine also gets into green position. So I think it was a very good case. We could in the market, we can consider this as a period for a case study, for the learning, for the investments, everything. So it's all about the timing we enter and we exit. So hope you guys have a good time ahead, another good Sambat year, and please be support me watching, subscribing and liking.